And hello guys, this is TV Coder here. Today's video I will teach you about a string and a list. So you probably doesn't understand a previous tutorial, so we're going to make it clear. So this is a chance to make it clear of this kind of previous video to make you more understand. So we're going to start. So before we're going to talk a string and list, so we're talking about put the comments on your code. So put the comments of the code is the purposes are to make other programmers easier to troubleshoot or bug fixing some bugs and error fixing some errors. So it's easier to collapse and make it easier to do bug fixing, as I said earlier. And we're going to do is this. This program is about to print strings and lists. So we're going to save and we're going to execute our programs. Python index.py. So it returns nothing. So as I mentioned earlier, comments is like need to like instruction to this program, like make it clear what this program is all about, but it won't be execute the programs and it returns nothing if you didn't have the code except this. So we're going to start to assign the variable. We're going strings is I think need to print working, and we're going to save and need to another print is a string. Don't forget the semicolons on that. So we're going to save and we execute the program. Is prints a very simple print. So how about we're going to have something like this, and we're going to use this. As we said, if we're going to out this and this, it returns error because the programs is end on this, and on the other double quotes it doesn't have another double quotes either, so it returns error. So we're going to do is to put something like this, and we're going to save it and we're going to run the program, and it returns like this with double quotes here. So we're going to another step of the tutorial, and we're going to use some like this. Okay, what the fuck is this? This is a list to access some elements, and not just about this string but also to access the elements of the list. And the cool of the Python is you can access this kind of elements to some of letters of one strings. So we're going to start it. I want to access a 0, so it returns W, because a 0 is as the beginning of the elements inside this or the list. So keep in mind this. So we're going to do some, I would like to say, to get 5 lengths of these strings from W to I. So how are we going to do this? So it's really simple. Just do a double dots and until 5. So we're going to save and we're going to execute the programs. It returns word key. So that's it. So we're going to get only this without this until this. We got only this. So we're going to delete this and we replace with -1. So we're going to save. Okay, it's wrong because I want to get this, but instead with this. So we're going to get -3. So we're going to save it and execute the programs. Okay, we're going to get G. So what that means is a minus. The minus is will get a last elements of the list or the strings characters. So that is for a purpose one like this. So we're going to start off with a list. So the list are like this, square brackets, and we're going to fill with R commas. We commas do commas that. Okay, we're going to loops for we don't need it around brackets, we don't really need it, and for as in string and double dots, and print is as let's see, it will print, actually print like this, as the lists are filled like this one. So we're going to look at length as what will be happen. It will happen like this. The length of each element values, it returns the length of each element values. So we're going to access only one. How we going to do this? And we're going to do some print string. I want to access this kind of element. Don't forget the element starts is a 0, not a 1. Is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So that means we need to access is element 2, as I want to access a do strings. So we're going to save and we execute the programs and returns do. So how about I want to need to print only 2 this, need to see 1 and 2. So we're going to save and execute, and it will print only 1. So that means the strings on this list is only effects on the string, not a list. So we're going to make it clear for what I talking to. So we're going to save and execute. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm really wrong for this. So yeah, we access this one and this. Okay, that is like on this one. And how about I'm going to 4? Let's see the programs will do. So we do that. That is all like this. Sorry what I said. Forget about it. So that is for today's video. Okay, I really forgot. How about we're going to access this one right here. So we're going to do 1, 4, 3 is 2, 5, 4. So we're going to do some, this is a double dimensional list. So we're going to do some 0. I want to access for this one is I want to access 0 and 1. So Let's see the execute the programs. It returns 4 as we wanted. So how about we going to loop for it? So we're going for W in string. So we're going to print some W. So we're going to execute the programs. It's 143254. How about we're going to access on this? WN1 is 4 and 5. So how about we're going to loop some double loops for E in W. We're going to print some E. Let's see the results. It returns 413254 as really wanted to. So that is for today's video, guys. Sorry for my English because my English is not good enough, but I would keep trying to be a best for this video. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like my contents, make sure you guys will subscribe to my channel, put the thumbs up on my videos. Don't forget to share this video if you guys like it, and check out my Facebook page and my Twitter account. Make sure you follow, like them. I will put my social media links in this video description down below. I will see you guys next video. See you soon. Bye bye for now. Stay tuned.